Hi, I'm Kelly from Asa Abloy Opening Solutions Australia, and we're excited to announce the latest update to our Nero Collection product line. The Lockwood 001 is now available with a metal striker in a sleek matte black finish. This new finish option is designed to complement modern interior design trends, especially for customers with metal framed doors. The Lockwood 001 is a premium security product, renowned for its durability and strength. It has been designed to provide maximum protection for your home or business, while also being easy to install and use. With the new matte black metal striker, you can now enjoy the added benefit of a stylish and modern look without compromising on the Lockwood 001's proven security features. We are confident that you will love the new matte black metal striker option. It's the perfect addition to any metal frame door, providing both form and function. So why not upgrade your security today and add a touch of sophistication to your space with the new Lockwood 001 metal striker in matte black. Reach out to your local representative for more information today.